Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to talk about the another methods of list that is very useful in real projects. So first of all, I write here lists list methods. Okay. So now I just create a main function here, and I want to write a list of integer that holds num multiple numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so now it's enough. Okay, so the first method is sublist. Okay, so it is a very useful thing. If I create another integer list, so new list. Okay, so here I just want to use this dot sublist. Okay, so this sublist is a very useful method. Okay, so what I do, so I just create a list that hold these multiple values. Okay, so these are multiple values that holds these uh, numbers. Okay, so this is a multiple values that I just store in one single variable. Okay, so now I just create another list. The name is of this variable is new list. Okay, and now I store a sublist from these numbers. Okay, so I just want to show you that how this sublist is working. So this sublist is return a list. Okay, so now we store that is a list. Okay, integer of a list. Okay, so here you can see they take a parameters integer start and also optional parameter integer for end. Okay, so I just want to write here 5. So what what do this method? Okay, this method do start the range of this sublist that we store in new list. It start from 5. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4. So here you can see this 6 7 8 will be stored in this new list. Okay, so now I want to show you here print new list. Okay, so now here you can see 6 7 8 9 is stored in this new list. Okay, we just uh, we just get a range of a list and store is in this new list. Okay, if you want to write a range, a custom range also with the end. Okay, so it's optional. You can see here it's optional, but you can do it also. Okay, if I want to get a range from 3 and end is 5. Okay, so here you can see 0 1 2 and start this from 3. Okay, so here you can see this 4 5 is stored is a new list here. Okay, if I run it, okay, so 4 5, here you can see 4 5 is stored is in a new list. Okay, so this is a very useful thing. Okay, so similarly this is a sublist, and we used another for this sublist instead of sublist, get range. Okay, so this get range is return iterable, not a list. Okay, so if I write here iterable, so now you can see it's working because this method returns iterable, not a list. Okay, so now I just want to start it from 0 and end 5. Okay, so this range will be stored in this new list. Okay, so now you can see 0 1 2 3 4, these 5 elements will be stored here. Okay, now I want to show you. Here you can see this stored here. Okay, but it's not a list. Okay, if you want to convert this iterable to a list, so to list. Okay, so now you can see this is converted to list. Okay, you can see this uh, this square braces. Okay, so the another is shuffle. Okay, you can rearrange randomly a shuffle. You can use this shuffle method for randomly, that if you want to rearrange randomly numbers in all these elements. Okay, for this you can use shuffle. Okay, so now I just write here numbers dot shuffle. Okay, so here you can see this shuffles returns word, so I can't store it a variable. Okay, so it returns a void, and you can see it take a parameter is optional random, so it will rearrange this this all list but randomly. Okay, so now I want to show you here. No, I don't print it. So numbers. Okay, so here I want to show you now. Here you can see this list converted to a randomly. It rearrange randomly. Okay, so with the help of this shuffle, you can rearrange this list. Okay, rearrange this list randomly. Okay, so it is also very useful in real projects. So I think for now it's enough, and keep practicing, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.